Hi everybody. I happened to attend Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja's finance workshop version 3.7 this time, which got over today on August 11th, 2024. He always under promises and over delivers as like ever before. This has been a lot of learning. He has clearly explained how should a dentist should go about starting from charging rightly, how to proceed further, and how should someone start saving, then investing. What are the various ways of doing it? What is his own formula for Indian people? Whatever is available, how should you narrow down and understand this with the current tax implications, and how to get the great output, a great benefit of saving more money with the taxation benefits. What are the actual returns? Trying to understand the new tax regime, old tax regime, how to go about doing it with a proper balance sheet formation. This has been a great journey for me, always with Sir, and he selflessly teaches with so much of passion that there is a lot of learning for everyone who attends this. I recommend and strongly ask every dentist to undergo this course and learn from this. Thank you very much.